Hello, guys. Today we are trying. What we trying, Dad?
Sang Vietnamese coffee.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. We both
Sang
like coffee.
cinnamon latte. Yes. Gentle shake.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Here you go, Ivan.
Oh,
Give it a shot.
thank you. Tastes pretty good.
Okay.
I will give that a. What should I give it?
Hmm.
A 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
Don't copy me.
Cheers.
See you later. Today we are trying these veggie stick cola stick things.
AKA?
AKA knockoff sweet tart ropes.
I'll be the guinea pig. Give it a shot here.
To be honest, I already tried it. I did not like it.
First you going out. Just the texture of it. Wow. Ooh, not so much. I've had better.
So you rate it?
4 out of 10. Try your own discretion.
I rated them 6 out of 10. Today we're trying strawberry milk.
Another Sangaria product. Gentle shake. Slowly open.
Gentle shake.
Sound refreshing. Try it, son.
Oh my! 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10.
For me, it's a 5 out of 10. Reminds me when I was a kid. We would drink strawberry syrup and milk. Just like it when I was a kid.
Yeah,
5. I'd go 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Sangaria. I'll take it.